is. You can be a part of the unboxing with me. It's probably gonna mess things up. Here we go. Okay. It's like Christmas. I was always jealous when I worked at the Apple store. I was always jealous of people opening their brand new Macs, you know? Because it was like, for me, it was like a once in a, once every 10 years or something. Not quite 10 years, but okay. Okay. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can do this with the camera. Oh, lopsided lid removal. It's like sacrilege. There it is. You can do, so it looks like it's USB-C to MagSafe. Yeah, USB-C to MagSafe. You can still charge it. You can still charge it via USB-C as well. So USB-C to USB-C will work. There's the power brick with its USB-C port right there. Put that back for now. Set that there. It's probably just the usual Apple stuff. Set that there real quick. Put this over to the side. Now the main attraction, of course. Sorry, not good camera control here. I got this one-handed. I got the space gray. You know, I thought I've had silver Macs forever, so I figured might as well get a space gray. Notice the let me get it to focus here. The design is kind of reminiscent of the old ones. I can't get it to stay focused. You'll do it. Focus. Whatever. Yeah, so the design is reminiscent of the older ones. The pre-unibody, so it's curved on the bottoms, square, flat on the top. I got our SD card slots back, HDMI, USB-C, and MagSafe, 2 more USBs, and an audio jack. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Stamped into the bottom. MacBook Pro. It's like stamped in. Alright, let's open this guy up. Oh wow, it just turned on. That's weird. It like turned on as soon as I opened it. I wonder if it's supposed to do that. While that loads, you can see the black inlay behind the keys. So it's not just silver behind there now. This is new for me, the massive trackpad. My other one was a lot smaller than that. Good old physical function keys. There's the Touch ID, the physical button Touch ID, kind of iPhone SE style. Okay, let's see what we have. English. Probably have to set this up from a time machine backup, so I may not be able to go through this whole thing. I don't know why this is having such a hard time focusing. All right, well, probably nothing else to really see here, so but there you go.